Microlinked Hair.
First tip of 2020. It's a little chilly. Yeah, it's a little chilly. Summer 2020 has been real interesting, y'all, but it hasn't stopped me from going out and having fun in the sun and getting in the water like I love to do. So let me show you what I do with my microlinks whenever I'm getting out of the water. I just got out of a pool and my hair is gonna air dry. The curls are already looking very cute. Okay. So whenever I'm at the pool or the beach, I always bring a little spray bottle of Oyin Handmade juices and berries. Juices and berries.
Ain't nothing but an archer perm.
What you put in your hair? It is nothing but juices and berries. It ain't nothing but an archer perm. I hope that Coming to America reference didn't go over your head. So, yeah, my hair is moisturizing and stuff. And it just smells good. Oh, look at his curls. I mean, that's natural. Look how it's just falling over. Okay, this isn't about him though. This is about me.
It's not about him.
But I mean, you could buy hair that looks like his. www.microlinkedhair.com. My phone is gonna die soon. It's got 10%, but 20 minutes into the dry. Get out.
My bad.
So this is 20 minutes after getting out of the water, having put in the juices and berries. I'm running my fingers through my hair, just making sure that it's not getting all tangled up as it's drying. Well, it's been 30 minutes and this is the curl. It's still damp up in here, but obviously I can still live my life. And I don't have to think about my hair. I will condition it probably sometime tonight. I'll probably co-wash it just because I've been in the chlorine and then in the sun. But I have the juices and berries so that I'm using that kind of as a protectant so my hair doesn't just all dry out and get crispy and stuff. So this is the look. So this was a chill, relaxing day at the pool, and now I'm gonna show you what my hair was looking like on a more active water adventure day when I went water skiing.
Hey.
So keep your arms straight. Let the knees keep your chest like this. So you're gonna be in this. No, don't lean forward.
I'll be back.
Don't lean forward, lean backwards, yep.
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you're ready. Thumbs up. All right, we're good to go. Yeah, you killed that, John. Hey.
I just finished water skiing. Having fun on these curves. So my hair's just gonna air dry in this hot 100-degree weather. This is my version of air drying on this day, but I washed and conditioned my hair as soon as I got home. Thanks for watching.